Today, I'm going to show you how to use LinkedIn to get clients in 2026, even if you are starting from zero. Because honestly, a lot of people use LinkedIn only for finding jobs. But what many people do not realize is that LinkedIn has become one of the best platforms for getting clients online, especially for freelancers, coaches, agencies, consultants, designers, video editors, marketers, and online businesses. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how people use LinkedIn to find clients step by step in 2026. First, your profile matters a lot because before anyone works with you, they usually check your profile first. And honestly, if your profile looks empty or confusing, people will leave immediately. So the first thing you should do, optimize your profile. Use a clean professional profile picture, then improve your headline. Instead of writing something basic like freelancer, try something more specific like video editor helping YouTube creators grow faster, or social media manager for small businesses. This immediately tells people what you do and who you help. Now, the next thing, your about section. This is where you explain who you are, what services you offer, who you help, and the results you can provide. Keep it simple and clear. Do not overcomplicate it. Now, another extremely important thing, show proof of work. People trust results, not just claims. So add portfolio work projects, case studies, videos, designs, or testimonials directly on your profile. This helps build credibility much faster. Now let's talk about content, because this is one of the biggest ways people get clients on LinkedIn today. A lot of beginners only scroll the platform without posting anything. But honestly, consistent content is what helps people discover you. You can post tips, results, client work, industry advice, mistakes before and after examples, or lessons you learned. And honestly, you do not need millions of followers. Even small creators get clients from targeted content. Now, another important strategy, connect with the right people. Do not just send random connection requests everywhere. Instead, search for business owners, creators, brands, startups, or people related to your niche. Then connect. Naturally and honestly, personalized connection requests usually work much better. Now, here's something important. Do not immediately spam people with sales messages, because honestly, this is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make on LinkedIn. Nobody likes getting aggressive copy-paste pitches instantly. Instead, focus on building conversations first. Comment on posts, engage naturally, and slowly build relationships. Now, another strategy that works very well, posting educational content. For example, if you are a designer, post design tips. If you are a marketer, share marketing insights. If you edit videos, show editing improvements. This positions you as somebody knowledgeable in your niche. And over time, people start reaching out to you. Now let's talk about DMs. Because yes, direct messaging can work very well on LinkedIn, but the key is keeping it natural. For example, instead of instantly selling something, start with conversation, compliment their work, mention something specific, or ask a relevant question. And honestly, relationship building usually works much better long-term than aggressive selling. Now, another important thing, consistency, because this is where most people fail. A lot of beginners post for 1 week, do not get clients immediately, and quit. But honestly, LinkedIn growth usually compounds over time. The more active you become, the more visibility you build. And eventually, people start recognizing your name and content. Now, another useful feature, LinkedIn search filters. You can search for people by industry, location, job title, or company. This makes it much easier to find potential clients related to your niche. Now, let's be honest for a second, getting clients through LinkedIn is not instant. And honestly, many people fail because they expect fast results, but people absolutely are building real businesses and freelance careers through LinkedIn in 2026, especially people who consistently post valuable content and build relationships correctly. So to wrap this up, if you want to use LinkedIn to get clients in 2026, optimize your profile, show proof of work, connect with the right people, post valuable content consistently, build relationships naturally, and avoid spammy sales messages. Because honestly, LinkedIn can become one of the most powerful platforms for finding high-quality clients online.